Hi, everyone, this is Linda. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to edit an image in Photoshop using the Camera Raw filter in Photoshop 2025. This tutorial is for beginners. First, choose your image and open it with Photoshop. You can use a JPEG, PNG, or any other format. My Photoshop version is 2025. So the interface might be different. Now, go to Window, click Workspace. Choose Essentials. And click Reset Essentials. So the workspace is the same now. Next, right-click on the layer and select Convert to Smart Object. Now, go to Filter. Camera Raw filter. The shortcut is Shift plus Control plus A. This will open up a powerful editing panel with tools. It's in what's called Camera Raw. In the light section. Here, you can adjust exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, whites, and blacks. Whatever you want to modify. In the color section. Here, you can change the temperature and tint. So whether it's a warm or cool photograph. Here, it's got some vibrance and some saturation. Let's start looking at some effects. Here, we have curves, where you can make adjustments. There's also a color mixer and color grading. There are a lot of new features you can explore. If everything looks good, click OK. And go to File, click Save As, Shift plus Control plus S, E or Save, Control plus S. Choose your location and save the file. You can also change the image size. Go to Image. Image size or use the shortcut Alt plus Control plus I. Here. Adjust the resolution, width, and height if you needed. Click OK to apply the changes and save your image. Now, I'm going to adjust levels. You can use the shortcut Ctrl+L. Here are some things to consider when adjusting levels. Look at the data and ask yourself, do I need to brighten the image slightly? Should I enhance the midtones for more intensity? Do the shadows need to be darker? Click Preview to see if the changes improve the image. If it looks better, save your image. Ctrl+S. You can also export the image. The shortcut is Alt+Shift+Ctrl+W. In File Settings, select the format PNG, JPG, or GIF. You can also adjust the size before saving. Then click Export. Choose a location, and save your image. Now, let's compare the before and after of the image. Much better. That's all for today's video. If you visit, please subscribe and share. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.